so we got ourselves a fishing scale that goes up to 70 pounds. Zoom in on that. It's brand new, fresh out of the box.
So when I came into work this morning, the last thing I thought Bill was gonna send me to get was a fish scale. But here I am, local Ace Hardware, buying a fish scale. Let's see what we can find. Out here today, what? Ace Hardware had it. We're good. Let's do this.
I'm curious how hard this CR500 clutch actually pulls. This thing is a bear to pull. I mean, this is a brand new lever. It's greased up. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. I mean, this is a brand new lever. It's greased up. We got a brand new cable, fresh rebuild in the motor. This thing has the original 1986 springs in it. So it's gotta be about, I'd say 3 times more than this brand new 21 KTM that's right here. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. So let's check it out. So again, guys, we're gonna do everything the same. So we're gonna try to pull from the end of the lever. I'm just gonna keep my finger there, John, and then
Okay.
You got the bar? Okay. Yep. Let's do it one more time and I'll try to get on the... All right, just peaked at 45 and then back down to 40. All right, so this is a 2021 300 XCW KTM. It's got a hydraulic clutch. This thing honestly feels about 3 times easier.
Oops. Sorry.
Oh, you're good. It's like, what, 10?
10,
yep. All right, and just for the hell of it, let's go to 2021 CR500R. This still has the same cable design as the 500. So let's give this one a pull, I guess. Got the little glare of the light here. Go ahead and do it again. It's like just over 10, just under 15. Let's call that one 15 just to be safe. So we're at what, 45 on the 500. All right, so now we're gonna switch this out for a hydraulic clutch. They're advertising 20% drop and pull, so we're gonna actually test it out and see what happens. I'm curious, is this thing actually gonna help? They're saying like 20% easier to pull. So we're gonna get this MAGURA hydraulic clutch installed and see what happens. Hopefully it's easier. This thing almost pulls too easy. I don't even know if this thing's working. We got like
10 to 12.
Yep, okay. Let's release it. I'm gonna pump it up a couple times just to... Yep, seems to be working. Seems too good to be true. Yeah, it's like between 10 and... That's okay.
Yeah. Like max 15.
Max 15. Damn, that's crazy. That's night and day better. So now we gotta try it, see if it actually works. Okay, so we went from 45 pounds to 15. What is that in percentages?
That's a solid 50%.
It's at least 50, right?
It said 20, but that's 50. It's
Yeah.